Solid housing and employment data from the U.S. pushed the S&P 500 to another 5-year high to close at 1,480 overnight, while the Dow is heading close to an important resistance level of 13,661. Further fuel was given to Asian equities from China's economic data. Chinese Q4 GDP rose 7.9% quarter-on-quarter versus expectation of 7.8%. Also, that's an improvement over Q3's 7.4% quarter-on-quarter and was the first pickup in 2 years. The data is seen as a sign of strength that would carry on into Q1 and Q2 this year. The World Bank said earlier this week that China's growth is projected to be 8.4% in 2013. Other data released from China saw industrial production rose 10.3% year-on-year in December, while retail sales rose 15.2%. Both beat expectation and were better than November's figures. While the data boosted stocks, risk appetite is not clearly reflected in the Forex markets. Canadian dollar and Australian dollar are stuck in tight range against the US dollar with a soft tone. The euro is also trapped in range against dollar below 1.34. Nonetheless, the trends are rather clear for the moment. Yen weakness remains dominant in the markets as US dollar, Japanese yen and euro yen breached the 90 and 120 levels respectively as the recent rally resumed. Even Aussie yen managed to extend the recent rise. Another clear trend is in the euro's strength. Euro Swissy jumped further and decisively broke through a key resistance level at 1.2472, firmly taking out 1.25. Strength in the common currency can also be found in Euro Sterling, and to a lesser extent in Euro Aussie. Regarding the Eurozone, IMF Chief Lagarde hailed that a lot has been achieved by the European Central Bank, but firewalls have not yet proven operational. Progress needs to be made on the banking union and clearly continued, if not further, monetary easing will be appropriate in order to sustain demand. Lagarde emphasized that, we stopped the collapse, we should avoid the relapse and it's not time to relax, and, removing uncertainty plays a key role in rejuvenating confidence. In the U.S., Dallas Fed Fisher said there is some traction now in the economy. He said the U.S. has a 2+2 economy, with 2% inflation and slightly lower than 2% growth. But he also noted that he's concerned with the Fed's inflation target of 2% and the 2.5% threshold might confuse the markets. Meanwhile, he noted that uncertainty stemming from fiscal uncertainty has dampened job creation. Atlanta Fed Lockhart said that it's not likely there would be a clear indication of labor market improvement by mid-year and bond purchasing